Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. On this channel, I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 200 pounds on a ketogenic way of eating and how you can be successful as well. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one to inspire you on your weight loss journey. Hello everyone, happy Sunday. I hope that you are all doing well and having a wonderful day. Yesterday was my birthday and I am the big 4-5. I can't even believe it. 45 years old, kind of crazy. My kids surprised me with the best birthday present ever that I am only going to be sharing with my Patreons. I decided that, it might get posted on Hide and Seek eventually, so if you are following me over there, you will probably see it eventually, but my kids gave me the best thing ever last night. They recorded themselves singing all separately a Christmas carol, and then my 23-year-old put it together on a track, like all together. It's pretty amazing. So I was pretty happy as a mom yesterday, pretty proud of my kids. It was a great, great birthday. I definitely ate a lot. Having Thanksgiving and my birthday in 1 week is a little bit trepidatious when you are on a weight loss journey. I had to let go of a lot of the worries that I have and the anxieties that I have and not stress over how much I chose to eat and just let myself, let it fall where it may and not stress over it. That's what I'm trying to do, is just love myself and learn my new, place of where I feel comfortable. And for my birthday and Thanksgiving, I decided I was just going to eat what I felt like eating and not worry about the calories or about whether or not the scale was going to cooperate. Because I figured everybody in the whole planet practically gained weight this week. So I shouldn't worry about it either. If they're not going to worry about it, why should I worry about it? So that's how it went this week. I had a great time. Thanksgiving was beautiful. If you missed my video of the live that I did showing my mom's gorgeous Thanksgiving table, you should definitely check that out because it was pretty epic. And also, my husband was awesome and bought me a heated jacket, which I didn't realize how much I would love. I wore it to church today and I was almost in tears the whole meeting because I kept feeling so warm and being so grateful because the cold has been a source of anxiety for me and it has gotten really, really bad in recent weeks. And I was just really grateful to be able to enjoy and just feel secure and cozy and warm in my new jacket. So it's been a pretty awesome week family-wise, and I've just been super happy this week. But food-wise, I'm sure, as you can well imagine, it has not been super awesome. I did not track anything between basically Thursday to Saturday, so I haven't tracked anything. I didn't track anything other than my protein to make sure I got enough protein. I didn't really add up my fats to make sure that I didn't overdo it on fats. So that being said, I'm sure you're probably figuring out what I'm leading up to. So we may as well just show you the weigh-in and we can discuss it. So as you can see, I weighed in today at 184.6, which is a 1 pound gain from last week. I did go up on inches as well, which was really disappointing. I'm a little worried about that, a little concerned about that, because this Wednesday is dress rehearsal and I have to be able to fit into my costume. And when I tried it on a couple weeks ago, it was a bit tight. So I am concerned that if I gain even a millimeter, I probably am going to have trouble fitting in my costume. So I'm going to try not to worry about that too much. I think I can wear some sort of Spanx to help with that, but yeah, it's a little nerve-wracking. It's a little nerve-wracking when you have something that you have to fit into. I never really thought about that because I've never been in anything where I had to be a certain size by a certain date or worry about whether I gained weight or not. Even for my wedding, I don't remember doing that. I think we made my dress so late in the game that it was probably not a concern of mine. At least I don't remember it being a concern. So yeah, this is the first time that I've had to fit into something at a certain time, and I'm a little nerve-wracked by that, I have to admit. I'm a little concerned. I don't know if I'm going to try and do anything about it. I think I'm just going to do as normal with my maintenance like I have been doing. Obviously, I'm not going to overdo it as much as I did this last week with Thanksgiving and my birthday, but I'm definitely not going to stress over it. We will see how the costume fits on Wednesday, whether or not I need to purchase a smaller, um, what do you call that? Shapewear, whether I need to get a smaller size shapewear or whether I'm going to be okay. I don't know. We'll see. The first performance is Saturday, so pretty much I don't really have there's nothing I can do about it at this point. I'm pretty much stuck where I'm at. I just have to not gain any weight this week. I have to stay at least where I'm at. So that is my plan. Try and stay where I'm at, trying to not to let the anxiety get to me of being on stage and having to do my hair and my makeup and and I didn't even think about it. I have these glasses which look like from the 1950s, and I am in a show where I'm supposed to look like I'm from the 1890s. Last week, all of a sudden, I had a panic thinking, oh my gosh, I'm going to have to dance on stage or walk around on stage with no glasses, and I'm going to be blind as a bat. So I actually went on Zenny and ordered me some cute little Christmas circly gold glasses. They look pretty silly on me, but now I have something that I can wear for the show, and that eliminated a little bit of anxiety for me. But yeah, this next few weeks, guys, is coming true. The dreams are coming true. The anxiety is high. It's going to be stressful. It's going to be fun, and I'm really looking forward to it and really dreading it all at the same time. We have 3 weeks of Nutcracker and then my big performance with my ward choir that I am the choir director for. So yeah, and not to mention all of the shopping and Christmasing for 9 children, which can be overwhelming in and of itself. I'm sure you can imagine. So the next 3 weeks are going to be a little bit crazy for me, but that's okay. It's also going to be fun. It's actually one of the best times of the year. Everybody loves it, of course. Leading up to Christmas is the best. After Christmas, not so much. I usually go into a pretty severe depression following Christmas and into January, so be prepared for that, guys. Be prepared. And of course, I will probably go back into doing a keto cut maybe in January. I don't know. I keep going back and forth whether I want to do that or not. Some parts of me wonder if that's part of the problem with my anxiety and my depression. Maybe if I didn't do that in January, it might be better, but I don't know. I'm pretty happy where I'm at still. Even though technically it looks like I haven't lost any weight in a really long time, I think actually this is the same weight I was on January 1st, 184.6. That's really depressing after getting down to 174 and how hard that was to be still at the same weight. But I try to look at it a little differently. Basically, I'm looking at it as, girl, you maintained that weight loss. You've maintained that weight loss for a year. First time I hit 187 was back in October of 2018. So honestly, that's half the battle, right? I mean, maybe I haven't gotten much smaller, though physically I am much smaller. I am a whole size smaller than I was last year. Actually, almost 2 sizes in pant sizes. So I'm pretty happy about that. But I definitely I may not be much smaller on the scale, but I'm definitely at least maintaining my weight, which is like half. That is the battle. It is the battle. And it's going to be the battle for the rest of my life. And that's the point of these check-ins with you guys, because right now that's all I'm trying to do is to maintain my weight reasonably. Definitely, I have put some weight on in the last couple of months. So, I don't know. It is what it is. It is what it is. I'm not going to stress over it too much. We'll address it after Christmas and see how that is, and then decide from there how I feel. And if I just feel like I'm going to stay here and I'm going to be happy, then that's what I'm going to do. So, anyway. I love these check-ins with you guys every week. I hope that I don't seem like down. I'm a little bit less bubbly than I was last week. I'm kind of coming off of a big high of having all these family things, and my birthday yesterday was pretty incredible, and I'm just kind of tired, I think, from all of the excitement of the last few days. I'm kind of crashing a little bit emotionally and just ready to take a break. And the anxiety of the things coming up this next week have, of course, hit me, and it's not relaxed day. It's not relaxed week anymore. Now it's week, and I'm excited and nervous, and that's why my energy level's a little bit dampened, I guess. So Gosh, I wish I could talk to you guys all day, but I have got to get this video edited and up, and I need to actually do my food video from last week that I didn't do and a new one, so I need to get some videos up for you guys before the crazy hits. And I will try and vlog as much of the crazy as I can. I'm definitely not, and I mean not, doing Vlogmas this year. This will be my first year not doing Vlogmas since I started YouTube, actually. So I kind of feel weird that I'm not doing it, but I also just know there's like no way I would never survive the stress of trying to do Vlogmas. So I hope that you guys can forgive me. I might end up recording the whole month's antics of Nutcracker behind the scenes and my feelings about it and everything, and like putting it into all one big video for you guys or something. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but as of now, I'm just going to continue on with my regular schedule for December. Some videos could get missed. Some live chats might not happen, but I'm going to do my best to not let you guys down and to keep you updated on the crazy that is my life. Because I know you guys want to know. I know you guys want to see what happens, and I want to make sure that you get to see what happens as much as humanly possible. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I rarely mention my Instagram channel. Is it even a channel? What is it called on Instagram? Handle? Page? I legitimately do not know, but I am on Instagram, and I will be posting probably pictures of myself at Nutcracker or things like that over there. So follow me on my 2 Instagrams, both ketochaos and hide and seek, spelled HYDE. And check out, of course, the family channel, because you're going to see it there first before you ever see it here, most likely, just because that's what I do on the other channel. So don't forget to check those channels out. Also, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I did post my best birthday gift ever, my kids singing to me, on my Patreon account, and I'm probably only going to put it on there and then maybe hide and seek later, like weeks later. So if you're interested in seeing what my kids did for me and seeing me bawl my eyes out, you should go and become part of the Patreon family. And the link is in the About section below. And I appreciate, of course, every cent that is donated toward this channel at keeping it going. I would never have made it this far without you guys. It has finally given me a little bit of breathing room and a little bit of fresh air when it comes to the financial situation of my life. I am definitely much less stressed this year, which is so nice, and I owe it all to you guys. I'm so grateful for that. Also, all of you guys who bought bras, thank you. It's going to help us out so much, and so I'm grateful for that, you guys, and keep your eyes out. I will apparently be doing another video. They have asked me to do one for Christmas. I don't know if it's going to be a Christmas sale or what. Also, I think all of those links are still good. So if you missed the 80% off sale, you can still use my 20% off code, and those links are still, available for you guys if you are still looking for a sports bra or leggings or things like that. I think it's still good. I mean, I could be wrong. I really don't know how this kind of stuff works. I've never done this sponsorship stuff before, so it's been fun and exciting. Oh! That reminds me, guys, I totally forgot to tell you how the bra is working out for me. So I actually did wear both of the other bras this week. I wore them for a full day, each of them. And I have to say, I was really, really impressed. The one that cut into my ribs the most was, I think, the white one, which everybody said that they liked that one the most. But that one, by the end of the day, was the least comfortable. But it did definitely keep me in place. It didn't put a lot of undue pressure on my shoulders. The green one was awesome. I was actually really impressed with the green one that's adjustable. I didn't have to adjust it. For me, I just left it where it was. But I can see how it would benefit you if you needed to adjust it, if you were looking for that kind of thing. That one was actually extremely comfortable and very comparable to the SheFit bra, way cheaper than the SheFit bra and way more comfortable, and it held the girls like really, really well. So there you go. My review, but I have to say, I think that the black cross strap bra is just my favorite. I like the way I look in it. I like the way it feels. I like the cross straps. Can't wear that one for the Nutcracker though, because it will show. I don't know which one I'm going to wear for the Nutcracker. That's a good question. Maybe the green one if it doesn't show. I'm going to have to try all of them on, but my dress is green, so I don't feel like it's matching, even though it's not going to show. All right. So I think that's everything. I mentioned Patreon. Oh, I didn't mention the Facebook page. If you guys are looking for information on how you can get started on your own weight loss journey and you want advice from me on how to do it, I have all of the information on how I did this and how I got started on my Facebook page. The link is in the About section below. So I just highly recommend looking at the About section and checking out all of those awesome links. I only mention these things once a week, trying to keep it just to this weigh-in video so that you guys don't have to be inundated with my commentary about all of the ways I do try to raise money to keep this channel going. But I do want you guys to know it's there. If you're looking for it, that's where it always is, in the About section. And that's all I got to say about that, I guess. So I better get to editing this video and maybe take a nap, because even though I got 8 hours of sleep last night, I'm feeling really, really tired today. And I'm not exactly sure why. Probably because yesterday was really emotional and I got real sappy. And so maybe it just kind of sucked out my energy for the day. I don't know. It was an awesome birthday, and I'm so happy. I'm like, I couldn't have been more happy. It was a beautiful, beautiful day. All right, so I'm going to take my leave of you guys. Talk to you all later. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you all again soon.